A lady from Weston called me and asked me to come over and clean 3 Oriental rug. I asked her, "Do you have a dog or cat?" And she said, "Absolutely." I'm on my way to Weston to pick up 3 Oriental rug. Most of the pet owners that call me ask me, "Can you clean my Oriental rug?" And I ask them, "Do you have any urine odor?" And they said, "Yes, definitely." So I said, "You need a service to remove the urine odor. And this is more important than cleaning the Oriental rug, because most likely your Oriental rug is clean from dirt and traffic area. You need the odor removal." Okay. Probably, that's what I believe. The owner of this rug sent this rug to another service, another carpet cleaner in Arizona. Local. Boom. Local. And when they come back, they're having a bad odor. Maybe it was a pleasant when they received the rug, like a vanilla deodorizer. It smelled good. But after 2-3 weeks, the vanilla deodorizer blend with the pee-pee, with the residue of the pee-pee than it was over there, and 2 of them together become as a pee-pee vanilla. And this pee-pee vanilla drive the lady crazy, because nobody would like to have pee-pee vanilla smell in the dining room or the living room. This is the reason why PetPeePee never use any deodorizer or enzyme, any chemicals, because I hate chemicals, period. So I never use it. Hello, my name is Mayor Martin. I'm the owner, the builder, and the inventor of the PetPeePee system. I built a system to clean Oriental rug and remove the urine odor permanently. In a process to remove the urine odor, we cleaned the Oriental rug to a perfection. However, the main reason the customer sent me the rug all the way from California, Arizona to Florida is to remove the urine odor naturally. No chemicals, no deodorize, no enzyme, and remove the urine odor without harming the rug by using this scrubber. Scrubber designed to clean the floor mat in front of Home Depot, not a Persian beautiful handmade rug. So for this reason, I built the PetPeePee machine that cleans the Oriental rug gently. process, the tube show me what's coming from your rug. What is the vacuum extract from the rug? All the pee-pee, the cleaning product that you used, everything, the saliva, the dirt, everything will go through the rug, fall down to the pan, and flush automatically to the sewage. This cleaning process repeats itself many times. And when I finish the job, the same clear water than it was on the top will go through the rug and show me a clear tube. I know I finished. I vacuumed the rug by hand because every rug for me is like a Ferrari. You build it and you clean it by hand. I brushed the Oriental rug by hand. This is my exercise for today. And when I complete, the rug stay on the floor and dry flat. Like this, the color will never run. Thank you for watching PetPeePee. It was a pleasure making this video.
My dog peed on the carpet.